The Brigham Young University Idaho music program is one of excellence and joy. The members of it are spectacular professors and faculty, as well as valued students. Professors and faculty are diligent and focused. Students are determined and hardworking, and yet one of the biggest struggles they have is in the place of improving. They attend lessons, ensembles, and other classes, yet they feel a lack in their skills. Ah, would you look at that? There's one of those students now. Are you a music student? Are you struggling? Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, not wonderful that you're struggling, wonderful that we found you. We have a recipe for you about practicing. The recipe for practicing is simple. The ingredients are as follows. You will need your music, a folder, your pencil, a timer, and a practice room. Oh, there must be something I've forgotten now. What was it? Ah, that's right. Your instrument. Now that we have all ingredients, we can move on to instructions. Step 1. Set your timer for your preferred amount of practice time. There can never be too much of that. Step 2. Begin playing warm-up exercises. Every good musician knows that a great practice begins with scales, arpeggios, and agility exercises. Step 3. Go through your music, choose a piece to work on, and a section within that piece to focus on. Begin working, playing through that section, and then when needed, take your pencil and mark specific spots. Continue this process, playing and marking, playing and marking, playing and marking, playing and marking, playing and marking. Step 4. This is the part where things can get very interesting. Begin to add heart and dynamics to the music, paying attention to what the composer had in mind, as well as the way that you'd like to interpret it. Create art with your playing, while still using that good technique you practiced earlier, and really feel the music. Great job. Then, when your time is up, take a deep breath. Step 5. Pack up your instrument with great care. Take all your music and put it back into your backpack. And leave your practice room, knowing that you've just completed a wonderful practice. We recommend practicing for anyone who wishes to improve their major. The recipe for practicing may not be for everyone, and do not use it if you aren't fully committed.